Hey Kelsey, so I'm just going to show you how to add things to update your module. So there are three things you're going to need to go to Commons to find. If you type in Netiquette, there are three things that I've uploaded. One is a discussion, and there are 2 pages. So here's the first page. So you can take this one and click import, download, and add it to your sandboxes, add it to anything that you want. So add it to all of your courses. Then also there's, there's a discussion. So I'll go to filter and go to discussions. And here's the discussion. So you'll do the same thing and import and add that one. And then you're also going to need, whoops, what just happened? My Canvas just shut down for some reason. Okay, sorry, I'm back in Canvas. So you'll go to, it's the good, the bad, and the ugly. Okay, so this is it, and you'll import and download that one. Everything else is going to be links that you can get to. So if you go to whatever course you want to update, so I'm going to go to my computer apps 7th grade because I haven't edited that one yet. I'm going to click on modules, and then I'm going to add, the first thing I'm going to add is the intro to Netiquette. So I've already added it to the course, so I'm going to go to pages and click on Netiquette. I'm not going to indent the very first thing because it's my title. It's like the start. So I'm going to add item, and there's Netiquette. The next thing I'm going to add is going to be a link to a video that I found. It's just like a 1 or 2 minute video, and I'm sending you an email with those links, but I'm going to link to an external URL, and I have these links in an email to you. So it's this one, the little short video clip. I'm going to copy that link, I'm going to paste it, and I'm going to name it Netiquette. And I'm going to indent this 2 levels. Add item. Make sure you publish it. Then I'm going to add the good, the bad, and the ugly, so I'm going to add another page. I'm going to indent it 2 levels and add item, and then make sure it's published. Then the next thing I'm going to add is a PowerPoint. I'm going to add mine differently than you'll add yours, but unless you go, well, yeah, you can just add it as a link, but I'm going to add mine as an external tool. So I go here, an external tool, and Office 365. Netiquette. And here's my PowerPoint. I sent you the link in your email. It's right here. So you can click that link. I made it shareable. Make sure it's published. Then you'll add the actual PowerPoint. I'm sorry, a video of the PowerPoint. So you're going to use an external URL. And this is a video that I created. You don't have to use this if you don't want, but here's the link to the video that I made. It's a YouTube video. And I'm going to indent that 2 levels and make sure it's published. And then the very last thing is going to be their discussion. Discussion, netiquette for the virtual classroom, add item. One thing you want to make sure of with your discussions, go in and double check to make sure everything is selected correctly and you've got due dates. So you need possible 100 points. Make sure it says checked where it says include assignment and grades, and then you have to give it a due date. If you don't give it a due date, then you can't sync the grades with Skyward. And then hit save. Just double check that. And that's the unit. So this should take a whole class period. Okay, call me if you have any questions.